Hello again. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I want to show you how I'm going to take a package of chicken breasts that I paid $5.21 for, which gave me 5 chicken breasts. Okay, and so I'm going to cut this up to show you how many meals you can get out of this one package of 5 chicken breasts. Because we have to learn how to now stretch the dollar, stretch the meal, stretch the meat, because of the cost of it going up in this world for food, bills, and all of that stuff. So we're going to learn some new tricks, okay? Alright, let's do it. Let's see how many meals we can get out of this one package. This will be interesting. $5.21 for the package of chicken breasts. Let's do it. Give it a thumbs up. I forgot to tell you, give it a thumbs up and a thumbs up. You can do that now. Share the video and subscribe. Okay? Thanks. Okay. So let's see what we can do. So like I said, we have 5 chicken breasts. 1, 2, 3, woo, almost lost that one, 4, 5. 5 chicken breasts. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is the larger ones, I'm going to just cut it right in half, the long way. So I'm going to cut it this way, okay? Not this way, this way. Okay, that gave me 1, 2, right? Okay, let's find another big one. Here we go. So we're going to cut this one the same way, the long way. So we got 3, 4 pieces. Okay, so if you have a family of 4, let me show you that on a plate. If you have a family of 4, right away you now have 4 chicken breasts, which was actually just 2 breasts. We cut in half. So each breast, when I divided it up to $5.21, each breast cost $1.04. So since 2 of these is 1 breast, this is $1.04, and this is $1.04. So that's $2.08 that we're going to be able to feed a family of 4 with these 4 chicken breasts. How about that, huh? $2.08. Yes. Okay. So now, let's see what else we can do. So let's say we're going to make a stew. You know, something else that would stretch the budget, right? And if you get a piece that you're not satisfied with, you can switch and swap if you want. Okay, so let's make this into a stew. I'm going to use this smaller piece. So I'm going to do the same process. I'm going to cut it right down the middle. And then we're going to cut it into cubes. Big cubes. So see, I cut it this way once, and now I'm going to cut it this way. And let me move this up so you can clearly see. Okay, I can cut that 2 times. I'm cutting this right down the middle, and then I'll cut it into the cubes. Okay, let me get a plate and show you. Okay, this is what we're looking like for 1 chicken breast cut into cubes. So you can see that all we need is maybe another half, and we can make a stew out of this. Okay, so let's try. We're going to do another half. So I'm going to cut this right in half. I'll cut it this way this time. It doesn't matter how you cut it as long as you get the end results. Okay, so here's the end results that we're going to use this to make a stew. Whether it's chicken stew or you add it with beans or whatever you want to do with it. But this is what we're going to use for meal number 2. Okay, so this is 1.5 chicken breasts. So 1 was $1.04. So half would be 52 cents. So that's $1.56, $1.56, somewhere around there, under $1.60. Okay, meal number 2. So now we have 2 meals out of that package. Oh boy, this is getting good. Okay, so now I have a breast and a half left. Okay, let's make, let's see, what can we make? Let's make some chicken fingers. What about that? So I'm going to cut it the long way again. Okay, so I have it the long way. And now we're going to cut it into chicken fingers. We cut this excess fat that's hanging around off. Okay, now we're going to do fingers. So for the fingers, I'm going to cut this way. Okay? And same thing with this one. I'm cutting it the short way. Remember the half we had left over? Okay, let me throw this away and show you this. Okay, this is how many chicken fingers we got. So whether this is enough for a family of 4, it may not be for the fingers, okay? So you can do other things with it. You could make chicken salad, and then you can make 4 sandwiches, or you can cook it and mix it in with some beans or something like that. But you get the point, right? So right now we're going to call the chicken fingers enough for, I would say, maybe 3 people, not 2. But you know what we could do? We can steal a little right from the chicken breast to even it out to make this for 4. We'll steal a few pieces off the breast. How about that? If you don't tell, I won't tell. Oh yeah, that'll work. Because you know you only need 4 ounces of meat, right? Okay, and we're good. Now we have enough chicken fingers for a family of 4. You see that? Okay, so we have 3 chicken meals that we can make out of this one package. So this package and this package was what was it, $1.54 for these 2 each. And this was $2.04. So let me put it all over here so you get the idea. So we ended up with three meals out of $5.21. So let me calculate that. Just wash my hands. Let me get my calculator. Okay, I have my calculator. $5.21 divided by 3 equals $1.73 a meal for the meat, for the chicken meat. $1.73 for 3 meals. You can't beat that. So you see how you can now shop and cut that bill way, way down? Yes, try that, guys. Okay? Okay, this was a quick video. I just wanted to show you that, and I will cook with these items in future videos to show you what to do with them, and I'll remind you that they're from today. Okay? Alright, give it a thumbs up if you like it, please. You can go ahead and do that now. Let me give you the word of the day. I'm going to move the camera. The word of the day. The word of the day is stretch your dollar. Because you don't know when a crisis comes whether you're going to have a spare dollar. And if you do this, you'll be ahead of the game. Plus, why not save? We've lived very well maybe in the past, okay, where you could have a whole chicken breast or something like that. But now, you need to conserve your money. You need to cut back on food waste and costs, because half of us throw half of the stuff out in the trash from the refrigerator because nobody goes in and eats the leftovers all the time. So this way you won't have any leftovers because you're cooking just what you need. Now that is the word of the day. Conserve. All right. We'll be back. No, actually, this is the end of the video, isn't it? I'll see you on the next video when I demonstrate what I'm going to do with the chicken, okay? Love you, love you, love you, love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.